My name is Rick Adams. I'm the mayor of the Village of Frankfort. We had a great opportunity to have Tractor Supply bring a bunch of jobs to upstate New York. When I reached out to Anthony, it didn't matter that he was a Democrat and I'm a Republican. It was all about bringing jobs to the area. Anthony rolled up his sleeves and located some funding to help get this accomplished.
Soon, hundreds of employees will call Tractor Supply Company their home.
I'm a Republican and I'm supporting Anthony Brindisi because he gets things done.
I'm Anthony Brindisi, and I approve this message.